Ever feel like your technology understands everyone in the world but you? We often see headlines claiming a new AI is 99% accurate. On the surface, that sounds like a total triumph for science. But researchers at MIT have discovered a massive problem with that number. It turns out that one big score is hiding some very dangerous secrets. Think of it like a student who has a straight A average across all subjects. But then you realize they actually failed their most important final exam. In the world of AI, this is called an overly aggregated metric. It's one single number that represents the average of thousands of different cases. And for the average person, this hidden math can have life-altering consequences. Take a medical AI designed to spot signs of pneumonia in chest X-rays. The system might boast a high accuracy score during its initial testing phase. But researchers found the AI wasn't actually looking at the patient's lungs. It was looking at a tiny hospital logo printed on the corner of the film. Because that specific hospital had more sick patients, the AI cheated. It associated the logo with the disease, rather than the actual medical signs. This is what experts call a mistaken correlation or a shortcut. And these shortcuts are everywhere in the AI systems we use today. If an AI works for 90% of people, it sounds great on paper. But if that remaining 10% are all from one specific background, that's a crisis. It means the system is fundamentally biased, even if their average says otherwise. The MIT team realized we need to look at subgroups to find the truth. Instead of one big score, we need to see how the AI performs on every slice. Their new research provides a method to detect these hidden pockets of failure. It helps developers see where the AI is relying on the wrong information. Think about a self-driving car that is perfect in sunny California weather. But it has never seen snow and doesn't know how to handle a blizzard. An aggregated metric would say the car is 99% safe. But for someone living in Maine or Alaska, that car is a disaster waiting to happen. This is why moving beyond simple averages is so critical for our safety. But here's the catch, identifying these subgroups is incredibly difficult. You can't always predict which groups the AI will struggle with ahead of time. The failure might not be based on race or gender, but on something totally random. It could be the type of camera used, or even the time of day the data was recorded. MIT's new method uses a research process to find these weak spots automatically. It acts like a high-powered spotlight in a dark room of data. It points out exactly where the model is guessing instead of learning. This allows engineers to go back and retrain the model with better data. They can fix the weak links before the AI is ever released to the public. For you, this means an AI that is actually reliable when it matters most. It means a world where technology doesn't just work for the average person. It means a system that works for every individual, regardless of their unique traits. The industry is starting to realize that good enough isn't good enough anymore. We are moving into an era of high-precision machine learning evaluation. By looking at subgroups, we ensure that progress is shared by everyone equally. Next time you see a claim about AI accuracy, remember to ask a question. Ask, who is this 99% actually referring to? Because if the tech doesn't work for you, that high score doesn't matter. This research is a major step toward making AI more transparent and accountable. It's about building trust between humans and the machines we rely on. The goal is a future where no one is left behind by a hidden math error. MIT's work is helping turn that vision into a standard for the whole industry. It's not just about better math, it's about a more equitable society. We are finally peeling back the sticker on those perfect AI scores. And what we're finding is the path to truly intelligent and fair systems. Technology should serve humanity, not just a statistical average of it. When we fix the metrics, we fix the outcomes for real people like you. So, keep looking for the truth behind the numbers, because you deserve tech that works. The journey from accurates to truly reliables has finally begun. Ever feel like your technology understands everyone in the world but you?